Here's a 2018 BMW 6 Series. The only curves more compelling than the ones you'll be conquering are the seductive curves found on this sleek BMW. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, front heated Napa leather bucket seats, memory exterior door mirror settings, express open and close tilting sunroof, twin turbo V8 engine, automatic with driver control suspension management, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, dual zone climate control, sport suspension, auto dimming rear view mirror, and automatic transmission. Of the 6 Series, Car and Driver adds it is easy to find a comfortable seating position. BMW is adrenaline unleashed. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
At Metropolitan Ford, you'll always get a great experience and a great price. Stop in and see us today. We're conveniently located off Plaza Drive in Eden Prairie.